Hey you guys, and thank you for tuning into my channel. If you haven't already, click that bell. Take the time out now to click that bell below so you can subscribe to my channel for all of my latest updates. And as you can see, I've already filled in my eyebrows. And now I am defining my shape with my LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer in the shade Toffee. And no worries, I will list all products below at the completion of this video. So it's all about taking a flat brush and just getting that defined shape. So everyone's eyebrows aren't shaped the same, their eyes aren't shaped the same, so you have to go with the shape of your eye structure. And I always fill in based on my natural hairline. Once you get that concealer all lined up, I go back in with another brush, and I just call this kind of like a blending brush. I use it to set my concealer into place. So now I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Toast to clean up the top part of my eyebrows. So I just put a little bit on the back of my hand. And I take that flat brush and I start going in, creating the shape that I desire. And sometimes it's good to just grab the side of your face just to pull your skin a little bit, just to make sure that your brush goes across your skin very smoothly. So today I'm creating a look using the Matte Book by the CrayonCase. And I'm going in with this dark blue. So I wanted to create something really bold and vibrant. So I was like, okay, hey, let's play in this palette, because the colors in this palette are very pigmented. So I really love the product. And then I take this brown shade from her palette and I go in to, get rid of that hard line. So I want to blend that away in that crease so that color could transition well. And I'm going to use the Louise Base in the number 1. And I'm going to use it to carve out my crease. And this is always a difficult part for me, guys. Like, getting that correct shape that I desire. So I always go back and do little touch-ups just to make sure that I have it the way that I want it. So this is my technique on how I do it. I just try to work that product in and not use too much. And follow the crease that dip in my eye, in my eyelid. And I just keep working that product till I get it exactly like I want it. So yeah, I've been wanting to try products for a long time. So I did order when they first came out. And it took a while for shipping, but I traveled to Atlanta and I found they had them in the Morphe store. So I was able to pick up a couple of more of her products. They say the shipping is faster now. So I think I'm going to check out some more of her products. They are amazing. So now I'm just patting in some of that blue right on the corner of the eye. And now I'm using the white from the Matte Book eyeshadow palette in the inner corner of my eye. And then the next shade I'm layering it with is a yellow. So I'm going to blend all these shades together. So I'm creating a cut crease. And now I'm transitioning to orange. So we're going to make all those 3 colors fade across and blend into that blue. And no worries, if something is not the way that you desire, there's always time to go back and clean up and touch up. So as you can see, I'm getting those colors to transition, so I won't have any harsh lines. And now I'm adding a little of that blue back to the corner and I'm fading it across. want a little more dramatic feel to it. And just keep working those brushes. And of course, we got to do it 2 times. So now we're on the opposite side. We're getting that other eye done. And we're working that blue in across in that crease. Same process. We're going to take that brown. And we're going to go in and blend those colors to get rid of that harsh line. And a lot of things people don't understand. The key to it is blending. Blend, blend, blend. Blending gives you that desired look that you're trying to achieve. It lay those colors down good. It makes them flawless. It keeps them from looking so harsh like they're just sitting on your eye. So you want to create a smooth effect to the eye. So you want to always blend good. And if you don't have the look you desire, take that brush, go back in and blend some more. Blend till you get the results that you desire. So we have the blue applied. And we went in with the brown. And we working it, baby. After we finish working those colors, then we're going to apply lashes. And the lashes I'm using are my product line, Minks by Malay. So as you can see, I've already applied one lash, and I'm getting ready to apply the other one. So I'm going to put my glue on the lash and let it set while I continue on. And the glue that I'm using comes from Amazon. It's called Esquito. It's white, but it dries clear, and it's a great product. I love it so much. It actually, when I'm not wearing makeup, I could apply my lashes, and it actually helps them last about a week with proper care. So I'm going to prime my face with e.l.f.'s Hydrating Face Primer. And as you can notice, I'm not rubbing the primer in, I'm patting it in. You want to pat it into the skin to get a smooth finish. Same process when I apply my foundation. The only time I rub my brush is when I'm going under the neck area, but I always do a patting motion. You want to pat that primer into the skin. You're warming it up. You're setting it in place so you can have a smooth sheer finish. And this is a great product, very affordable. And now I have on both lashes. I did apply them off camera. I'm just going to touch this one up a little bit to make sure it's in place right. But these are Minks by Malay. And I'll list my website below as well, with along with all my other information where you can purchase these lashes at. Now I'm contouring my face with black Opal in the shade of Mocha. And once I set that contour into place, then I'm going to go in and do my highlight under the eyes with my concealer and LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Toffee. I will do the bridge of my nose and my forehead. And as we know, some people contour and use the highlight to either slim the face. If you have a big forehead, some people try to bring it in to make your forehead appear um, to be smaller. So now I'm just gonna pat that concealer in with that brush, and then I'm gonna take my foundation brush, and I'm gonna go back in and I'm gonna blend out that contour. Working it around. And if you notice, my contour and highlights are never too dramatic or extreme. I like to keep it natural, but I want it to appear that it is done. I'm just blending all that out. Then I'm going to go in with my damn beauty blender. And I purchased these from Dollar General. They're very affordable. You get 3 in a pack for like $3.50. I think it's 2 green and 1 black you get. And they last a long time. Great consistency. So now I'm just bringing it all together. I'll go back in with my brush and blend that out some more. Bring it together. You see that contour? Now I'm going to take care of the edge of my nose and blend out the middle part of my nose. Look at that contour. And to make it a little more dramatic, there's a dark brown shade in the Juvia's Place Warrior 2 palette that I love. So I set my contour with that brown from the Warrior palette. Now I am setting my highlight with my translucent powder from BenNye in the shade Dolce. So I'm applying it under my eyes, along the cheeks, to create a very natural straight contour line. All the areas that I applied my concealer to. And now we're going to dust all that off. And we're working that off. Now we're going to clean up that contour. Check it out, baby. And we're almost to the end of this look. Yes. I'm loving it. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Now it's time to highlight those cheeks with that Anglowla from the CrayonCase. Another amazing product. When I say a little bit goes a long ways, a little goes a long ways. So I'm going to apply that to the apple of my cheeks and just work it in and brush up. I'm not a big blush fan. I love highlight though. You can't miss me with a highlight. So we're working that highlight in. Yes, yes, yes. Now it's time for our lip color. And it's a duo pen. I will list it at the end of the video. I forgot the name of it. But it's a brown and a nudish shade. I did go in and add some e.l.f. lip gloss toward the end as well to kind of give it a little shine in the shade Moody. So along with this duo lip color, I used the shade Moody as well from e.l.f. And there you have it. And that is the final look. And I did set this look with setting spray by Deja Vu, and it's a product of Makeup by Malay, and it's an organic rosewater setting spray. So thank you for tuning in to my channel. Please click the bell to subscribe. Please like, please share. Please follow me on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter.